Let's get it. Got it.
This flying bird toy is so cute. It can chirp, flap its wings, and it flies. It is also rechargeable with a Type-C port behind. So let's turn it on and see if it does all it says. Ooh. Ooh. Now, fly. Fly. It doesn't fly at all. What's in the advertisement was a string tied to this loop here and pulled to make it seem like it's flying. But overall, I think it's a cool toy for your cat to play if your cat is playful. But if it's like mine, then no. Case closed.